You can't move.
I'm skinning on my pants. It's cold.
Let's see your snow angels.
My head.
You drawing a head?
Yeah.
Does mommy get to do it? Oh, that's cute. Here, mommy's gonna do one. Here. I'll do mine right between yours. You ready?
Oh, my hands are so cold. You want your face down?
No.
It's going up your pants, isn't it?
Help me up.
Step in the sandal and then step out. Step out.
Snow angel?
Yep. That makes snow.
Wait, we gotta get all three of them. Oh, my hands are so cold.